Welcome to Billion Farms channel. Fish farmers. Today I'm diving into the essentials of catfish farming in ponds. Whether you're a newbie or looking to refine your skills, this video will give you a solid foundation. Ready? Let's jump in. First things first, location is key. Your pond should be in an area with good water quality and access to sunlight. Catfish thrive in warm water, so aim for temperatures between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure your pond has a depth of at least 4 feet to accommodate the fish as they grow. Next up, stocking your pond. You'll want to start with high-quality fingerlings. A good rule of thumb is to stock about 1,000 to 2,000 fingerlings per acre. Overcrowding can lead to poor growth and increased disease risk, so balance is crucial. Let's talk about feeding. Catfish are omnivores, but a high-protein diet will optimize their growth. Use commercial catfish feed and stick to a regular feeding schedule. Feeding them twice a day is usually sufficient, and remember, overfeeding can pollute the water, so monitor their intake closely. Water quality management is another vital aspect. Regularly check for pH levels, dissolved oxygen and ammonia. Aim for a pH between 6.5 and 9. Dissolved oxygen should be at least 4 milligrams per litre. If levels drop, consider using an aerator to keep the water oxygenated. Now, let's discuss health and disease management. Regularly inspect your fish for signs of disease like discolored skin or unusual behavior. If you spot anything concerning, consult a fish health specialist. Preventative measures like keeping the pond clean and not overstocking will go a long way in maintaining a healthy population. Finally, harvesting. Most catfish are ready for harvest at about 18 months old, weighing around 1 to 2 pounds. Use a seine net for larger ponds or a dip net for smaller ones, and there you have it. The basics of catfish farming in a pond. With the right setup and care, you'll be on your way to a successful harvest. Welcome back to Billion Farms channel. Join us on a journey to agricultural success. Our channel is dedicated to sharing expert tips, techniques, and strategies for becoming a successful farmer. From crop management and soil health to livestock care and farm management, we've got you covered. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more farming tips. Happy farming!